You know, I love thatched cottages. This is really something rather super. It's grade 2 listed. It's just had a new ridge put in within the last few days. It has got the most extraordinary sized sitting room, which is often not found in a cottage. You've got a big dining family room, kitchen, downstairs shower room, utility room, upstairs 3 bedrooms and a big bathroom. And this is a home that just keeps on giving. There's an annex offering potential for an income, just over there to the right of me. You've got parking. Above the annex, you've got a big bedroom, shower room. Beside, you've got this wonderful terrace, glass balustrading, overlooking Dartmoor to the left. Underneath, you've got a pottery. You're going to have a 45-metre boardwalk that takes you into the most extraordinary place. You are exposed to something very rarely found. There is a gin clear natural pool. There is a log-fired barrel sauna. There's a huge great enclave area for alfresco dining, just sitting, lounging around, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the backdrop of Dartmoor beyond and the rolling countryside betwixt. And between the two areas, you've got woodland, you've got formal gardens, you've got walks. It is truly magical, and our clients have been very careful in what they've done to the property to keep it as environmentally friendly as possible. So upstairs, you've got 2 big double bedrooms, one at either end. Beams, a smaller bedroom in the middle and a very nice, large, period-styled bathroom. And from all of the bedroom windows and the bathroom, you overlook the treetops and Dartmoor to the back. Just off the main garden and through some of the woodland, you come across this full-blown workshop with a curved roof so the water just runs straight off, built by our clients. What a great space for just working. It's not often you get a chance to do a sign-off in a natural pool, but it is the hottest day of the year. So if you'd like to know more, do give the office a ring on 01 805 626 999. We'd love to talk to you about this. It's a special place.